Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a destination image, because a full image is the only foolproof way to keep everything. Plug in a drive with at least twice your used space. Use USB 3.0 or SSD for speed. Once done, install and open a reliable disk imaging utility and verify it supports bit-for-bit cloning. Make sure you have any encryption keys or passwords ready, and set the device not to sleep so the image won't be interrupted. Now you create the image itself. You select the source disk, every partition included, and choose sector-by-sector bit-for-bit mode so nothing is skipped. Then pick your external target drive, enable optional compression to save space, and keep checksum/verification active. Start the clone and monitor progress. You should see ETA and bytes copied. Once the image finishes, the tool will write and verify the checksum, record the image file name, timestamp, and its checksum so you can confirm integrity later. Finish by validating and securing the image before you reset. First, confirm the checksum matches and quickly mount or restore a few critical files to test the image. Once verified, encrypt the image file or place the drive in secure storage, and consider an offsite copy if the data is vital. Then perform your reset. If something goes wrong, consult the verification log, attempt a targeted restore of files, and if necessary, repeat the imaging step with a different tool or cable to rule out hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.